All right, guys, today's another episode. Today is September 17th, 2019. This is Eddie Peretti, and I will be explaining to you what this means right here. When you log into your website and then you get this message for updates such as this one, I just updated it so this will go away, but I'm going to focus on this right here. When you guys do this or this happens to you, it's because your server you're hosting has been updated because this is outdated. So all you have to do is go to your hosting. In this case, we are using ROCHEN hosting. Awesome hosting for Joomla, like the best. Did you know that ROCHEN is the one that actually hosts the joomla.org project, which means the mother of all mothers and the core of Joomla, and all the registered members and all the plugins and extensions and all of that stuff is running off of ROCHEN. Imagine that. So I happened to got the address for them, and I was able to get hosting, and their hosting is phenomenal. I love it. Joomla has never been down or hacked or broken because the hosting is key. Not just everything, but key. After that, then you need good software. That's also key. So you need a few keys, but I just can't brag enough about ROCHEN. But anyways, you go to ROCHEN. As you can see, there's a problem with this. So now we go to ROCHEN, and it says your version is 7.132. So as of December 1st, 2019, it's no longer going to be available. Well, we don't have to wait till then. Chances are ROCHEN should already be ready. So we're at 7.132. We want to go higher than that. So what do? We go to manage hosting. Once we log in, we go to our website and we type in 915. And we go to our control panel, and in our control panel we're going to find where this problem lies, and we're going to see if we can find it. Sometimes you got to go through all this control panel nonsense, but you don't need to work on everything. Just focus on one. What we're looking for is Joomla utilities. I haven't been there for a while. Let's see if they changed anything. Ooh, this is very nice. Check this out. Brings you to the latest version, displayed only if Joomla is outdated, which is very cool. Clean out your site's cache and temporary. We have that manual. Fix file directory permissions across the site's nice. Security tweaks, add on passwords, reset super admin. Oh, I love it. And look at this. This is one of the awesome ones. Clone installation allows you to clone yet another subdomain. Woohoo! And then merge with allows you to merge the clone Joomla installation back to its source. Delete installation completely removes the Joomla site from your account. Very nice. Create or migrate another Joomla installation. Okay, well, we can just get out of track from this point on. So the cool thing is that this is just getting better and better and better, but we don't need to be here. What we need to do is we need to go to our, let's start from the beginning. It ain't in files, it ain't in images, it ain't in FTP, it ain't in web disk, it ain't in FTP connections, it ain't in backup, it ain't in backup wizard, it ain't in Git, it ain't in file restoration, it ain't in restore vault. It ain't in PHP, it ain't in MySQL databases, it ain't in my wizard, it ain't in my remote MySQL, it ain't in site publisher or domains or add-ons or redirects or aliases or subdomains. It ain't in zone editor, it ain't in email, it is is not in metrics. Is it in security? I don't believe so either. Is it in software? Ooh, now we're talking. Here we go. Software. PHP select version. Bam. And you got to remember where we were on the website. Remember, we are at 7132, and we need to go to 32 or higher. 132 or higher. So we go back. 132 or higher. And it's not there, and it's not there. Wait, it's right there. Current PHP version. What? Ooh, guess what? Let's go to 7.3. Bam! Set as current. You see that? And that's all it takes. So I'm gonna redo everything for you so we can start from scratch. Once again, you go to your website. Okay, this is going to be part 2. Okay, you go to your website and you see that your PHP version is outdated. It's 7.132. So we need to go higher than 0.132. So what do? We have to go to my ROCHEN. So what we do is we go to my ROCHEN.com and you end up here. And then you go to your control panel and you scroll down till you get to software. On software, you'll see select PHP version because it's telling you here that this version is not going to be doing anything else. So we have to climb up because otherwise we're going to get hacked. So how do we climb up from this PHP version to the next one? We go to my ROCHEN, we click on our control panel. It takes us, we scroll down till we hit software, and we click on select PHP version. Once you do that, it tells you right here what version you are on. So you click on it. And the newest one is 7.3. So I clicked on it. I was here at 7.1. So I clicked on 7.3. And then it asked me if I wanted to set it as my current. And I said yes. And that was it. And now when I go to my control panel again, we'll notice that hopefully this will disappear because it'll read the new server. If not, it may have to propagate. It may have to resolve. It may have to wait till the server catches up to me. So just because it doesn't change right now doesn't mean it's not going to change. But let's see what happens, right? So depending on where you host, it could take forever. But right now I'm hosting with ROCHEN, as I continue to repeat, because ROCHEN is located in the UK. The UK is on the other side of the world. Right now it's 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon in the United States. Guess what that means? That all the United States servers are peaking out with traffic. But guess what? Back in the UK, everybody's practically asleep and the servers are dormant and the lines are practically open for business. Whoever wants to do midnight shopping in the UK. But midnight shopping in the UK is regular day in America, which means, like traffic, if you want to go to Walmart and never want to have to deal with traffic, you go at 3 in the morning, right? If you want to go to Walmart at 7 to 9 in the morning, good luck with traffic. That's what I'm talking about. So ROCHEN hosting is in the UK. While everybody's asleep and the servers are wide open, I could use them to do all my stuff. Then, after midnight, my server slows down because the UK is in peak performance. But it doesn't really slow down that much, but you can tell the difference when you work on your websites. So the key is have your server in another location where there's no traffic, so that way you can have your clients and robots search everything for you really fast without any bottlenecking. Okay, so that's it. So let's refresh this and see what happens. And here we go. Boom. Error. Holy cow, did I just crash my website? Let's go back. maybe we should go back to ROCHEN and say, you know what, let's take it up to 7.2 better. And let's set that as the current one. What do you say? All right, let's try that. Yep, as you can see, that website crashed on me. Bastard. Well, let's find out what it does now. Bam. Ooh, and we're back. So as you can see, we are updated to the 7.2, and it was asking me to go over the 7.1134, whatever. So now we're at the 2. We're okay. The system's not too advanced to go up to the next one, which is amazing to me. That sounds like they're ahead of schedule. So that's how I look at it. So anyways, I hope this video really helps you. It's long, but it'll help you understand why you need to do this and what happens if you do it wrong. Oogie, boogie, boogie. So once again, this is Eddie Beretti, and you're listening to NOYBM, noneofyourbusinessman.com.